Excuse me, is this the line for check-in?
Yes, sir. This line is for Flight 205 to London.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure. Yeah.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay.
Your bag is within the weight limit. Would you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
Aisle, please.
Certainly. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. Which gate should I go to?
Gate 12. Boarding begins at 2:30 p.m.
Thanks for your help. Excuse me, where is the security checkpoint? Go straight ahead and turn left. Thank you. You're welcome. Good afternoon. Please place your bag on the conveyor belt. Please remove your laptop and any metal items. No problem. Thank you. Please walk through the scanner. Okay. Everything is fine. You may collect your belongings. Thank you very much. Excuse me, is gate 12 nearby? Yes, it's just around the corner. Thanks a lot. You're welcome. Hello, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Please sit down.
Thank you. Are you traveling too?
Yes, I'm flying to London for business.
That's nice. I'm going there for a vacation.
Have you been there before?
No, this is my first visit.
You're going to enjoy it. There are many famous places to see.
Do you have any recommendations?
You should visit museums, parks, and historic landmarks.
That sounds wonderful.
How long will you stay?
About 2 weeks.
That's a good amount of time.
What about you?
I'll stay for 5 days for meetings.
I hope your business trip goes well.
Thank you. I hope you have a great vacation.
Attention passengers on Flight 205 to London. Boarding will begin shortly at Gate 12. Looks like boarding is starting.
Yes, let's get ready.
Do you travel often?
Quite often. I fly at least twice a month.
Wow, that's a lot. You don't travel very much, so I'm still learning. Well, it was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Maybe we'll see each other on the plane.
Perhaps. Have a pleasant flight.
You too. Safe travels.
Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Good afternoon. May I see your boarding pass and passport?
Certainly. Here they are.
Thank you. Everything is in order.
Great.
You may proceed to the aircraft.
Thank you. Excuse me, is this seat 14A?
Yes, it is. I think you're sitting next to me.
Great. Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too.
What a surprise!
I know. We really did meet again on the plane.
Then you must know a lot about traveling.
A little. My advice is to relax and enjoy the flight.
That's good advice.
Welcome aboard. Would you like something to drink?
Orange juice, please.
Coffee, please. Certainly.
This flight should be interesting.
Enjoy your flight. Yes, and it's nice to have someone to talk to.
I agree.
Have a wonderful trip.
You too, Emily.
Thank you, David. Safe travels.